doing our first ever corn maze, and we came back to this pumpkin patch because we heard it's the best one around, and Oliver is very excited. Let's see, what's the first one? I've never done this, so I have no idea what I'm doing.
This has nothing, I don't know what
It's just
what
trivia?
this has to do with anything.
That's misleading.
Okay, so let's, so what I'm used to is having a map and like having to hit checkpoints
Ooh.
as to where everything is. So like, there's no like, oh, try to find your way out.
Oh my gosh, it's so muddy.
My daughter just slipped and fell in that.
Oh, yeah, good thing we didn't bring the stroller. Right, Dash? Ah! Holy smokes.
So,
oh my gosh.
so this must be just like a find the exit.
Did you skip mud too?
No, I didn't slip in the mud. I think we found the exit, but it might be a cheat. I think it is. I think someone just broke through it because they were tired of it. I feel like we didn't go very far. I know. Someone cheated. Someone cheated. Do we want to take this exit? Do you want to take this exit? Or do you want to?
You want to go all the way down there?
It's really muddy down there.
Yeah.
It
is.
Slowest zoom
So,
ever. Should we just?
It's so muddy. Yeah, let's
Oh
just
my
get out.
gosh.
We got other stuff to do.
Yeah, we got
We
a whole day ahead of us.
We got time.
Back in 2 hours.
Oh.
Yay! We did it! Oh, Dash!
Oh, high five!
First corn maze.
First corn maze.
Look how muddy. Oh my goodness.
The muddiest corn maze.
We should have brought some rain boots or something.
If I knew it was going to be like that, I would have dressed appropriately.
Yeah. Well, kind of dressed appropriately. Kind of. But you're heavy. You're heavy to carry. Right?
Your shoes are so
So we're here for pumpkin patch and come back for Christmas time. Maybe we can get our first real Christmas tree this year.
Those are Christmas trees when they're not for Christmas.
Yeah, they grow them here.
Yeah, they grow them here.
Oh no, it's muddy again.
Oh no, it's muddy again. This is Washington. Of course, it's always muddy. Kick off that mud.
Yeah, you gotta rub your feet on the
He's so cute. He doesn't like being dirty. Definitely takes after my side of the family. Taking the tractor back so we don't have to walk all the way.
You wanna ride full circles?
Yeah. Might as well. All those people, Oliver, what are we doing?
We're going on a tractor.
Oh, hay rack ride. Pulled by a tractor. What do you think, Jessie? Can't even tell. Where are you? Where are you? Hi! Hair blowing in the wind.
We're going.
We're going. Oh my goodness. Like it? Like it? Over. Whoa, whoa.
Dummy on the moon! I dummy on the moon!
Oh, jeez. I'm so jealous. Oh. We don't allow adults on here because of all these little ones. Dang it. I want one of these in my own backyard. It would be so awesome. Oh, jeez. Oliver! Whoa!
Whoa, Laura! Laura, watch where you're going. Laura, be careful.
Yeah. Oh, did you eat it? You want some more? Daddy has more.
Oliver, do you want some more?
Oh, they're
Give it
going
to him.
crazy. You're not fast. They're fast eaters.
Yeah.
Fast eaters.
She's hungry.
Very nice.
Okay, Oliver. Give me the feed. Give me the food. Funny food. You want to hold them? Okay. Gotta be nice and gentle. Nice and soft. Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Oh.
Fluffy bunny rabbit.
Very cool, dude.
I can hold it.
It's so pretty in here. Hay maze. Ooh, a wedding in here. It's so pretty. Whoa, no big deal, just an owl. Oh.
Okay, Olivia, one more.
Hi, Oliver.
One.
Do you see the owls? Look at it right there.
Okay, one,
It's flying.
two. Grayson, look. Okay, one more. Reaching out a little bit. One.
They just keep going.
What?
They keep going. There's a couple of them.
Mommy, we're coming.
Oh, you want to come out?
Down a little bit.
I did it.
I did it! Did you do it?
No? Is this the only entrance
One
and
more,
exit?
Grayson.
Or what?
I don't know.
Is there an
I thought
exit on
it
the
was
other side?
I don't know. I haven't done it. He thinks he did it though. That's cool. He's so cute.
Oliver likes slides, so.
It's Oliver! It's Oliver! Oh! Hey, Oliver! Nice. This poor little baby got a little bunk on his nose. Bounced on the hay rack ride and knocked his little nose into the side. Totally my fault though, because I was holding the camera, not holding my baby. Whoops. You okay? You look like you're doing okay, right? Get out of my way, Mom. Jeez. There he goes.
Sonia, no. Sonia, no.
Take me a picture.
I'm not taking your picture. I'm taking your video. So sassy. I don't know where he gets it from. My cute little pumpkin playing with the pumpkin. Hi. You want that one? I don't know if that belongs to someone. Oh, that belongs to someone. I don't know.
So I'm not going to take it.
No. That's all right. You're coming. Oh, Oliver doesn't want to do it. Oh, he didn't want to do it? Oh, my head. Oliver, was that fun?
Yeah, I want to do it again.
So Liz smacked my head.
Oh! Like a speeding bullet.
Whoa, there he is.
Yeah.
Spitting bullets. Another boy almost fell right into this puddle.
Yeah, for real.
Woo.
Took a little knock there in the leg, huh?
He did. He was holding it for a little bit.
Saw that.
You alright? Oh my goodness.
Look at all those guys.
Stay on your bottom, bud.
Will do. Our day at the pumpkin patch is over. They are closing in 10 minutes. They better get going. Plus we're hungry. See you later.